Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sukul Hemram. This video clip is part 1 of Computer Standard 2. My dear students, kindly open your book, chapter 2, page number 13. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Parts of a computer. A computer performs the task given to it using its various parts. A computer consists of four main parts. These parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. All these parts remain connected by means of cables and make a complete computer system. Let us learn more about these parts. Monitor. The monitor looks like a television. It displays what we do on the computer. There are different types of monitors. Page number 14. A monitor is also known as visual display unit, in short called the VIDEO. We can watch movies on the monitor. CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. It remains fixed inside the CPU box. It performs calculations and controls all other parts and functions of a computer. Keyboard. The keyboard contains many keys that look like buttons. These keys are pressed to give input to the computer. The input given is then processed by the CPU and the output is displayed by the monitor. The keyboard is also called standard input device. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. It consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. It is used for pointing and selecting objects and icons on the monitor. My dear students, let us know more about parts of a computer. My dear students, a computer has different parts such as main parts and other parts. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse are main parts of a computer. These parts remain connected by cables to make a complete computer system. Except any one part of this, we cannot operate computer properly. So, these four parts of a computer are called main parts. Monitor. Monitor helps us to see our work that we do on the computer. That's why monitor is called visual display unit and monitor is looked like a TV. CPU. My dear students, CPU stands Central Processing Unit, or the full form of CPU is central processing unit. CPU is situated in the CPU box, and all parts and functions of a computer are controlled by the CPU. Keyboard. My dear students, keyboard is a flat board and it has many keys, and these keys are called buttons. It helps us to give command or input to the computer. The keyboard is also called standard input device. Mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used to point or select objects and icons on the monitor screen. It has two buttons. Left side button is called left mouse button and right side button is called right mouse button. Between these two buttons a wheel is there, and the wheel is called scroll wheel or scroll button.